Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I'm making evening tea time rice aloo snacks. Crispy outside, soft inside and perfect for tea time or quick evening cravings. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup rice and soak it for 2 hours. Soak rice properly for smooth blending. Wash well and pour into a blender. Do not add too much water while blending. Add 2 to 3 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger and 2 green chilies. Blend into a smooth paste. Transfer to a bowl. Add 2 boiled potatoes. Grate the potatoes. Add 3 tablespoon carrot, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Mix well for proper binding. Grease oil on your hands and take small portion and make shape. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Serve hot. Rice-based snacks are very popular. Combining rice and potato gives a unique texture. Garlic and ginger enhance flavor and aroma. These snacks are perfect for evening tea time. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. Rice provides energy and carbohydrates. Potatoes add fullness and texture. Vegetables give vitamins and nutrients. Homemade snacks are fresh and hygienic. Your crispy rice aloo snacks are ready. Serve hot with sauce or chutney. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy snack recipes.